Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I will be your coach in the shadows. So today we are working on the Eureka program and we're doing module 3 lesson 4. We're still working with adding fractions with unlike denominators. So here's what the unlike denominators look like. That means they're not the same. They're unlike denominators. Unlike denominators. So this is how we are presenting it to our children in our school. So we represent, okay, the first step is to identify that they are uncommon denominators. They're unlike. So now what we do is going to represent each of the fractions on a with the pictorial representations, which means it's a rectangle in fractions. So this number 7 dictates how many parts are there in this shape. So that's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this denominator says that we are going to show this on 3 parts here. Now we are going to shade them so it looks like it represents 2 7s. This is going to be 1 7. Let me just a different color here. 1 7, 2 7s, and this is going to be 2/3. So I'm going to do 2/3 right here. You know what? Let me use a different. Let me use a highlighter. I think that it's more powerful. Look at that color. It's so vibrant. So now we have represented these two right here, these two shapes. Now our next step is to turn those into equivalent fractions. Let me write that word right here. Equivalent fractions. That means, well, that's not exactly how you write that. Okay, equivalent fractions. So all we do is we're gonna copy that in here. But we're not going to write what the fraction is. So this is 2 7. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 2/3. So I'm going to copy 2/3. And I'm going to highlight it. It is necessary that we highlight it as well. So this is going to be, this is actually 2 7s. And this is what do you call that? 2/3. There you go. Now, what we have to do is we're going to cross multiply. So what happens is this is 2 7s and it's going to be divided in 3 more parts. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3 parts. You can see across 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do the same thing with the 2/3. We're going to divide it into 7 more parts. So that's going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now these fractions are going to be exactly like these ones, but now they're going to have the same denominator. And let's look at what happened. So we're going to count now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. So that is good so far. It's the same denominator. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. Again, there we have it. Now we have converted into common denominators. Now we got to see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 right here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, let's do this better. This is a better strategy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. So now we have our common denominators. Now we need to add them up. So this is the total of them right here. And that will be 14 plus 6 equals 20. And the denominator, it should be the same. Now, in this problem, we don't have a number that has we cannot show this number as an improper fraction, so we are okay on this one. This is the answer. And there is no simplification. So now we know that 2/7 is the same as 6/21, and 2/3 equals 14/21. And that's how you find common denominators, my friends. This is part 1. Please watch the next part of this video of this module 3, lesson 4. Signing out, your coach Magnifico. Yes.